The Earth has a limited amount of water. The water keeps going around and around and around and around, and, well, you get the idea, in what we call the water cycle. The water cycle has four main parts: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection. Evaporation is when the sun heats up water in rivers or lakes or the ocean and turns it into water vapor or steam. The water vapor or steam leaves the river, lake, or ocean and goes into the air. Water vapor in the air gets cold and changes back into liquid, forming clouds. This is called condensation. You can see the same sort of thing at home. Pour a glass of cold water on a hot day and watch what happens. Water forms on the outside of the glass. The water didn't somehow leak through the glass. It actually came from the air. Water vapor in the warm air turns back into liquid when it touches the cold glass. Precipitation occurs when so much water has condensed that the air cannot hold it anymore. The clouds get heavy and water falls back to the earth in the form of rain, hail, sleet, or snow. When water falls back to earth as precipitation, it may fall back into the oceans, lakes, or rivers, or it may end up on land. When it ends up on land, it will either soak into the earth and become part of the groundwater that plants and animals use to drink, or it may run over the soil and collect in the oceans, lakes, or rivers, where the water cycle starts. This last step is called collection. From here, the water cycle will begin itself once again, and it will continue for thousands and thousands of years to come. Now it's time to watch the video on the water cycle again. What I would like you to do during this time is turn to a friend and explain each of the four parts of the water cycle to them. There will be a point in the video for you to pause and to explain during each of the four steps. Remember, the four steps are evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and collection.